Good morning. It has been a few weeks since we vlogged, and I thought today might be a good day to take you along with us. We're spending the day at home. I have no real plans on going anywhere. It's actually stormy a lot. Like, it stormed last night. It's been storming all morning, and I think it's gonna pretty much stay that way for at least the majority of the morning and maybe early afternoon. I'm not really sure, but I thought I would take you guys with us. I've got some cleaning that I want to get done, and then I'm gonna start back with Charlotte. We used to do a little bit of some like preschool slash pre-K-ish schoolwork with her, not like official homeschool or anything like that, just stuff to kind of help her. And I thought I would start that back up today. I don't know if I'll film any of it with her in it. I might. It kind of depends on what I do with her. But I figured I'd start that back. I'd take you with this cleaning and just kind of throughout her day. These are some of the things that I have for Charlotte. I figured I'd just kind of show it to you. We bought the Good and the Beautiful set. Those are folder activities. It's been a while since we've done this, but I think she'll do okay. She's in preschool, so this is the preschool book by the Good and the Beautiful. And I figure if I start back this with her and she finishes this faster than I thought, I will actually order the pre-K set and just get started with that for her, working on writing her name. Like I said, it's been a while since we did this because she is in preschool and I was working full-time. So I'm fairly certain she'll probably fly through some of this stuff. I did buy her a social studies book. She kind of gets this, but it just gets her familiar with the ideas. More of her name. These are some preschool practice sheets. It's really fun with these like big letters. Let me see. Because then they can draw they could do stamps inside of the S. Or, I don't know, what would you do in the V? I'm not sure what you do in the V. Maybe they could make a rainbow in the R, but they can kind of do different crafts with that. That's more for Levi. It's just working on reading comprehension. And then I have these other smaller books. They're little flip books with insects. Little poems. One with butterflies. Poetry. Not things I have to do with her, but some. And then these are just a few. What was this one? Oh, this one's on frogs and snakes, which I actually got with Levi in mind. I thought he would like that. And then this book is also with Levi in mind, called Glenn and the Goat. I forgot I had these, so I can read those with him later. But that's kind of what we have. I'm going to start with her in just a little bit. And then kind of, like I said, see where we're going. Just practice stuff. She likes to do these things. And so I just thought it'd be fun to do it with her. And it's a perfect thing to do on a rainy day. Charlie, that's amazing. Way to go. High five. Wow, that's so good. Can you show me which one is a cold winter day?
That one.
Can you circle it for me? Whoa, what a good circle. What would you wear if you went outside to play in that cold winter day? that one. Can you circle that outfit for me? Nice job. Nice job.
Sun.
You're going to draw the sun?
Sun doesn't go away in morning time.
No, the sun does not go away. Not even in the winter or the morning. It's still there.
Yeah. So we only need to keep the sun. And now blue sky. Where's blue? There it is. So it's just the blue I need. Now it's the butterfly. I'm gonna do green butterfly. How many butterflies? 3.
You're going to do 3 butterflies? Okay.
Go in. Now, last one.
Last one. I like your butterflies.
Okay. Okay. Now let's make 4 flowers.
4 flowers?
So we need some green. I already have green.
Silly.
Now I need pink and yellow.
You going to do pink and yellow flowers?
Where's the yellow? There it is. Now, yep. Hey, this is yellow.
It's like a yellowish green, huh?
That's me. It is gold.
No, that's yellow.
Okay, let's see. There's pink. Here it is.
You could do a purple flower if you wanted to.
Now do the yellow. Green. Now, I could then do the leaves after 4. Okay. 2 more. Green. Now, pink. That was a little bit too big. One more flower. See. Green again. And pink. And yellow. And more green. Nope.
It's a little while later. You saw Charlotte do some school. And now we're just getting ready to have some lunch. She's going to take a small rest time. So I'm just going to make her lunch before she goes down and takes a little rest. And then I'm going to get going on some cleaning and some school for myself. What are you doing now while I make your lunch?
I am drawing this.
You're drawing that? You're doing some letters, right?
Mm-hmm.
What letter are you doing right now?
A.
A. A is for?
Apple.
Apple. Yep.
A is for ant.
B?
No, ant.
Oh, and for ant. You're right. Good job. Good morning. It is a new day. I just recorded an entire intro or thought I did, but like I hit the button twice. Anyways, we kind of got busy and distracted after Charlotte finished school and I had said I was working on cleaning. The day just got away from us. She's currently working on school now, listening to an ABC song. I'm currently monitoring the dog. Hold on, baby. She just finished the song. Because our neighbors are expanding their driveway and the dog wants to keep staring at all the people outside and barking with them. But in any case, I figured I'd take you along with us, kind of continue on with the vlog and see where the day goes. For a few hours later, laundry's done. You can kind of see it right there. That's the kids. I kind of leave them in piles for them, and then they come and they put them away. Just Levi and Charlotte. I don't do Dylan and Jordan's laundry anymore. Every once in a while I'll do it, but not very often. And Charlotte, she's all finished with all of her school, and now I'm actually going to get started on my own school, and I don't think I need to get dinner ready early. I'll have to check, but if I do, I will take you with me. Good morning. It has been a couple days. We just got sidetracked. To be honest with you, I just dropped Jordan off. Not Jordan. We're going like way back. I just dropped Charlotte off at preschool, and I'm actually going to head out and take a walk. We have some, oh gosh, the winds are really strong. So I'm not sure how long this walk's going to be, but it's sunny and I kind of want to get outside. It's also pretty cold. So I might be only getting in like half a mile, but I'm going to get in a walk and then get some stuff done around the house.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
Okay, I'm back. It's windy. If it weren't, it's going to be one of those typical cliches. If it weren't for the wind, it wouldn't have been so cold or so bad. But we have like wind gusts up to like 60 miles an hour. So, I mean, can you tell? But I'm back. And so now I'm going to get a little bit of cleaning and probably a few other things. Maybe some school done. I don't know. We'll get some stuff done before I have to leave to go get Charlotte. I have an hour and a half before I have to go get her, leave to go get her from preschool. And so let's, I guess, see what we can get done. Those fixed and never stained. This whole kitchen needs an overhaul. It needs a whole renovation. We took one of the cabinet doors off to see what it would be like to install new cabinet doors, and that also hasn't happened yet. And they're a different style, so even if we get it put up, it's gonna look weird. But what are you gonna do? We are not Pinterest worthy. We are not social media and internet like worthy where things can get done like that. You know, things take time, they take money, and it's just real life. Sometimes things look disheveled until you can get them done. Well, it's fine. Okay, I'm putting you down because sometimes it gets a little shaky. But it's been a few hours. I picked up Charlotte from preschool. She had lunch. She actually went to the neighbor's house to go hang out with one of her friends. So I was able to sit here and finish editing the video for tomorrow, which was really nice. It is another flashback, so I hope it's something that you guys enjoy. And you know what? If not, it's okay. They're not for everybody. And I even mentioned that in the video. Now I'm going to get ready, and I think I'm going to heat up my own lunch because I never ate anything. And we go get Levi in, what, a little over an hour? We'll go pick up Levi. I think I'm going to walk because it's still ridiculously windy. However, it is not super, super cold. So I like to walk when it's not super cold. Just get me out, a little more active, all that good stuff. Hello, editing me. I realized as I'm editing this vlog that I never actually closed it out. So I hope you enjoyed this hodgepodge of a few days at home And until next time, bye.